Are poor communication, weak leadership, and disengaged teams holding your business back? Soft skills are the key to success, but they don't always come naturally. TrainSMART specializes in custom-tailored soft skills training, designed to match your company's unique needs. Our workshops cover critical workplace skills, including effective communication, reduce misunderstandings and improve collaboration, leadership development, build confident, inspiring leaders, customer service excellence, strengthen client relationships and boost sales, team building strategies, foster a culture of trust and productivity. Choose the learning format that works best for your team. In-person workshops, hands-on, face-to-face training, live virtual sessions, interactive learning from anywhere, e-learning modules, self-paced development, one-on-one coaching, personalized skill building. With 30+ years of experience, TrainSMART delivers real-world, results-driven training that employees can apply immediately, leading to stronger teams, better customer experiences, increased employee retention. Invest in your employees. Invest in success. Contact TrainSMART today to build a custom soft skills training program for your team.